Hello everyone! Today, I'll introduce you to a smartwatch designed specifically for kids from the brand IMOO. It's called the IMOO Z1 41mm Kids GPS smartwatch. This device serves as a useful communication tool for children and their families. Not only does it allow easy phone calls anytime, anywhere, but it also provides accurate GPS tracking, ensuring your child's safety even when they're not with you. Let's dive into the details of this special product. Firstly, let's delve into the design of this product. The IMOO Z1 41mm Kids GPS smartwatch is meticulously crafted with high durability, having undergone over 160 rigorous tests before its release. These tests include drop tests, checks for harmful components, and safety assessments, all meeting EU standards. As a result, families can confidently allow their children to use this watch for extended periods without compromising their health. The watch face is made from a hardness-rated glass, HM greater than or equal to 6, providing enhanced protection against unintended collisions and minimizing scratches while maintaining aesthetic appeal. The strap, made from skin-friendly TPU material, ensures comfort even during active play when kids might sweat. Plus, it's easy to clean when the strap gets dirty. The 1.3-inch touchscreen display offers just the right amount of screen real estate for smooth interactions. With a resolution of 240 by 240 pixels and a TFT LCD panel, it delivers clear content and lifelike colors for your child's viewing pleasure. The IMOO Z1 smartwatch is equipped with a nano SIM card slot, allowing kids to receive incoming calls or call their family members directly from the device when needed. Additionally, children can reject calls from unfamiliar phone numbers not in their contact list using the function that filters out unidentified calls. Through the IMOO Watch phone app, kids can engage in text conversations with family and friends. They can send and receive text messages, voice messages, emojis, images, and videos, making communication more convenient. Moreover, this children's smartwatch is equipped with a 2MP camera, enabling clear video calls. Furthermore, the smartwatch features various sensors and positioning technologies, including GPS, GLONASS, Wi-Fi, and LBS. These technologies ensure accurate location tracking and stable signals across different environmental conditions. The map display is supported by Google Maps, providing an intuitive, reliable view of your child's whereabouts. The IMOO Z1 smartwatch is equipped with a 740 mAh battery utilizing modern anode silicon technology, providing longer usage time compared to other watches with the same capacity. The device can operate for approximately 2 days in basic mode or around 7 days in standby mode, and it takes only about 2 hours to fully recharge the battery. Notably, the IMOO Z1 combines a dynamic design with exceptional durability. It integrates several intelligent features to ensure child safety, including direct calling capability and high-precision GPS tracking. This product truly serves as a reliable companion for your child, available anytime and anywhere. And those are my personal reviews of the IMOO Z1 children's GPS watch from the IMOO brand. If you find them helpful, please leave a like, a comment, and remember to subscribe to our channel to support us in future videos. See you next time.